Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another cooking programme. It's a cold, miserable Tuesday afternoon. It's just starting to rain. I've been at work all morning. I've had nothing to eat and I do fancy a fry up. Now I like my fry ups in dripping, and Debsy doesn't like the smell of dripping in the house. So I'm going to do a fry up on the shovel. First thing to do is clean the shovel. It's been a while since it was used. Make sure I get all the sight of it. Perfect. We'll warm it up, give it a wipe, and then it's kind of ready to go. The star of the show is going to be Spam. Now this Spam has been in the fridge for 24 hours just to get it conditioned. There's various ways of opening it, but I always like to put a hole in the bottom first. Like that, with a sterile screwdriver. And then to pull the lid off, you can get a good grip in here, which means it won't sort of fly away. Right, so that's the Spam opened. Next we need to get it out of the tin. Getting the Spam out of the tin can be a little bit problematic. Sometimes poking knives in, you tend to damage it. I've found the best way to open it is pneumatically. I use shop air at 150 psi and it removes it like that. No damage at all. That's the way to open your Spam. Next we need to carve it. You can do it long ways like that, but I prefer that way. We want roughly 1/2 inch slices and we want 3 of them. Or will 2 be enough? 2's enough because that one's a little bit thicker. That one's nearer 5/8. That can go back in there and that can go into the fridge and that will keep for 3 or 4 days, no problem at all, as long as you keep it covered. This is what we're having. So 2 slices of Spam, a piece of black pudding, tomato, mushroom and a nice free range egg. We'll get the shovel prepared and then we'll have the Spam on first. Spam and the black pudding, they take the longest to cook. The shovel has been on the heat for quite some time now. I'm just going to take some of the blackness off it. I mean, people say you'll poison yourself. I don't think there's any germs going to be living on here. Honestly, I really don't. Right, I'm going to put a little bit of dripping on here just to sort of season it. This is beef dripping, animal fat, proper stuff. Bit more heat on. We need the whole shovel coating. You can run dripping at a very high temperature, much higher than you can various cooking oils. Right, so that shovel is very nicely seasoned now. It'll be non-stick. On with the Spam and the black pudding, a little bit of dripping. We want a little bit more heat, I think. This gas ring's pretty good. It was designed for melting pitch for roofs. The shovel was given to me by a really good friend who sadly is no longer here. And he said to me, he says, John, every time you use it, will you think of me? Well, I definitely am thinking of him. Definitely getting the crispiness on the spam now, which is just what we need. Black pudding's already cooked as well. That's the sort of colour I want, just before black really. Right, I think it's mushroom time now. Need a little bit of fat in here to cook them in. At one time I think this was supposed to be bad for you, but I think now it's alright. It certainly hasn't done me any harm. I'm concentrating the heat on the mushrooms now. Get a bit of nice colour about them. I think let's spam it on a little bit more. That's certainly cooked. Goes nice and hard and crispy when it's cooked. A little bit too much heat on there, I think. It's a pity you can't smell this, because by God it smells nice. Designed to cook an egg really, that. You could do two on there, no problem at all, but I think one's enough. That's better. Trying to turn the egg without bursting the yolk if I can. Right, the egg's cooked. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Look at that egg, lovely. Absolutely incredible. Right, this really is something special. Now and again, absolutely amazing.